Hi, welcome to CIS120 Microsoft Word 1. I am your instructor, Melody Chronister, and we are going to have an awesome time learning how to use this program. A little bit about me: I've worked at the college for several years. I work in IT, and I also have taught for over 5. I also work for Columbia College as a part-time instructor for them as well, so I teach bachelor degree courses in the business discipline. Let's see, a little bit else about me. I enjoy gaming. What else? I don't require textbooks in this class. They are free. Imperial Valley College provides Microsoft Office 2016 for free, so no excuse there. You have all the tools available to you at no cost so that you can be successful in this class. Students that don't do well in my class, which are very few, I can tell you the consistent reason is they just don't log on and don't turn stuff in. They don't try. So please make sure you log in every week. Make it a habit so that you too can be successful. If you're getting stuck or behind, email me, let me know, or respond to me, because I email you and I say, hey, what's up? I noticed you're not doing your stuff. Make sure you check those messages and respond. I want you to be successful, but for you to be successful, it's got to be a two-way street. Keep me informed if you're getting stuck so that we can get through it. Make sure you participate in the discussions, support your classmates, and I think that pretty much covers it. I am looking forward to working with you in this class as we learn this awesome program, and here is to a fabulous semester. See you online.